Namaskar, Amate Regla. I hope Nigulpura Husharullar. I have come to my cousin's house for a family Ganpati celebration. ठीक है, and every year this is a big get together. So I'll take you along with me. देखो ना बप्पा कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं. Oh my gosh, it's like he's literally smiling. Wow, he just looks so divine and happy. And just look at the decoration. ये टॉप नॉच है सीरियसली. ओके गाइस, अभी हम जा रहे हैं पंडल हॉपिंग के लिए, बिल्डिंग गणपति देखने. हर साल आइडल्स एंड डेकोरेशंस आर टोटली डिफरेंट, सो लेट्स चेक देम आउट. वाओ, जस्ट लुक एट दिस गणपति. डेकोरेशन एकदम नेक्स्ट लेवल है.
गाइस, हाय गाइस, इधर इधर इधर. हेलो, अरे मैं तो दिखाई नहीं दे रही. हेलो, लाइफ से खाना जरूरी है. फूड इज द बेसिक नेसेसिटी ऑफ लाइफ.
Today our building Ganpati's Visarjan is also happening. Meanwhile हम लोग एक लंबी लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर निकले हैं. अभी थोड़ा चिल करेंगे, गोइंग आउट फॉर अ राइड एंड ऑफ कोर्स स्नैक्स, मे बी पिज़्ज़ा, कुछ और, बस थोड़ा घूमना है एंड एंजॉय करना है. ये So guys, we came to this amazing cafe called Cafe Pizza Express, and honestly the vibes here are just perfect. Ambience, music, lights, everything feels so good. We have ordered some really delicious stuffs and I have mentioned everything in the description below, so go check it out. Trust me, it's totally worth it. So guys, pizza was good, cheese and all perfect, but then they added this green herb. I don't even know what it was. Not coriander, not spinach, बस कुछ ग्रीन था जो दिखने में बिल्कुल ग्रास जैसा लग रहा था डूड. एंड ऑनेस्टली वी डिडंट लाइक दैट पार्ट. बाकी सब ठीक था. चीज़ अमेजिंग, प्रेजेंटेशन फैंसी.
If you are an OG non-vegetarian, please don't try vegetarian. मेरे घर के बाजू में फूडीज है, ठीक है, और उधर ना बेस्ट पिज्जा मिलता है. I have tried always veg. I have never tried non-veg pizza, but still it's good.
Guys, the main content of the video is Dogesh bhai. Look at it. The pose. मैं तो पीछे छोड़ दिया.
So now we are heading to another place, क्योंकि असली हंगर के लिए चाहिए एक प्रॉपर इंडियन पिज्ज़ा ब्रो. Now we have come to Pizza Hut because honestly the last one was just a fancy pizza. Taste was good but stomach अभी भी खाली था. So ना मैं ते बंजी जिंजा तिनका. We ordered some delicious veg pizzas here. Yes, still veg. And a special mention, today's treat was from my brother. So thank you. Pizza Hut never disappoints us guys. अब तो stomach भी full है. चलो now let's go to have dessert. Let's go to have waffle. We're going to have waffle. She's going to have ice cream waffle. Let's go.
It's my first time having a waffle.
Guys, look at this place. Isn't it amazing? अभी आपको एक काम करना है, ठीक है? कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करो वेयर दिस प्लेस इज. इट्स एक्चुअली अ पॉपुलर स्पॉट. इफ यू नो, सो गेस करो. हाय.
उद्या स्नॅप पाडू. उद्या स्नॅप पाडू
हाँ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ತೋಜೊಂದು
Life is sweet. You can see here.
ಒಂದು ರಸಗುಲ್ಲ.
Guys, it's a chop. हमें वॉफल मिला नहीं बिकॉज द वेटिंग टाइम इज मोर देन 1 hour. सो पर मूरत से नहीं निकले बिकॉज द फर्स्ट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड पिज्ज़ा एक्सप्रेस, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड ना.
Yeah. And we are Indians. We can't digest that घास-फूस.
We
अगर तुमको गवर्नमेंट पिज्जा खाना ही है ना तो फिर तुम वेज तो मत ही खाओ. मैं तो सोचता नॉन वेज भी क्या ही होगा. चिकन बॉईल करके देता है.
हाँ, yeah.
वही होता है ना उनका concept ही
maybe,
वही होता है.
but
It's like
the
vegan or something. I don't
Yeah.
know exact meaning of government, but that's
Something
what
like
I think
that.
it is. That's
Yeah.
the picture that I have in mind.
if you want to try for the first time, it is good. Like it tasted good later.
The ghas-foos thing that they did in the name of government. The cheese tasted really good. And the jalapenos added to the taste. That's good.
It was good, but kind of weird. And then again we went to Pizza Hut. And we also tried. What did we try?
Everything that has Hindi in its name is not tasty.
Oh
Don't
my
expect
God.
dal makhani in your pizzas or in your
Yeah,
it's not
so
in the garlic bread. Okay? And we did that
Actually,
mistake.
dude, Pizza Hut, garlic bread, a
That-
big
those
no.
those indie flavors. No.
No ways. A
Have
big no.
dal
It was
makhani and all that paneer tikka alag se and this.
kind of very weird. I don't know what it was. It was looking like a mini donut for some reason. And I was like, is this, are you sure we ordered cheese garlic bread? Indie
There
cheese
was no
garlic.
cheese. There was no like they had cream cheese, I guess.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
like-
It was not like a cheese burster.
Huh?
Cheese. It tasted like a chili bomb. अब waffle fellow is also not ready to accept our order. तो हम अभी करें तो क्या करें? She wanted waffle.
Disappointed me here. Not only me, okay.
all of us. She's fed up. She just and she's saying that she. So now we are officially on a waffle hunt. It's literally late evening अभी और अभी तक घर से किसी का फ़ोन नहीं आया है. So I think हमें खुद ही we have to call घर पर and let them know कि थोड़ा लेट होगा.
शाबा अम्मा फोन मलते पन
ఇచ్చేద్దావు ఎందుకని ఏర్పని నా వీరే పని
పూజ బాచికు ఫోన్ మలతే పన్ అర్ధ గంట తాగు.
We are literally going through jungle type roads. This feels like a treasure hunt, but honestly, we are drenched, guys. पूरे तरह से भीग गए हैं हम. Seriously. Helmet.
हेलमेट चाहिए हेलमेट.
पूजा को चाहिए क्या వచ్చింది కన్నడి వచ్చింది కనుక
మస్తు చూడు బర్స ఊరుంటూ ఉంది అయితే బర్స భీగిది పరిపిన ఆనలో మస్తు కొడతాడు ఇంట్లో.
पढ़ कोका ही मेरा कोका
अब हम घर के लिए रीज़न प्लान कर रहे हैं. क्या बोलेंगे? बिकॉज इफ ट्रू रीज़न पता चला कि वी आर रोमिंग अराउंड इन अ रेन ऑन अ वॉफल हंट तो पक्का सुनना पड़ेगा. What is this, dude?
समझ में आ रहा दिया होगा
ये अभी सूखी लग रही है पूजा.
Look at her. She's completely drenched. Totally worth it. Now, bus, let's enjoy and head back home.
तो नहीं
Finally, waffle treat.